babies. Hi, little babies. Who have we got here? Oh, we've got all the little chubbiettes. Oh, come on, sweeties, come on. Oh, who we got here? Milton. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Come on over. Come on over. Come on, guys. I see you. Come on. Come on in the back. Come on. Who's sneaking up over here? Oh, yes, I know, Milton. You're already here. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, sweeties. What are you going to do? Everybody's coming to Mama. Oh, Mama's little baby. Come on. Come on, you can make it over. You sidestepping? You silly baby. Oh. Oh, you silly babies. Silly babies. Come on, guys. Come on, you can do it. Look at your buddies are already over here. Come on. You got it. You got it going. Come on, work them feet. Come on, work them. Work them. Good job, baby. Who's crying? Who's crying? These guys are all here. Oh, here's that little squizzy bird. Yeah. Yeah. I know. What are you doing all by yourself over there? Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. That's it, little man. There we go. Everybody's learning. Hey, Milt, them babies are going to get you. Hey, Milt. What are you doing? That little baby's going to get you. Oh, hey, Milt. Come on, did that little baby get you? Oh, who's this? Oh, no. Not that little squizzle bird. Aw, poor Milt. What did you get in the middle? Did you get in the middle of that? Those are your little brothers. Yeah. Hey, I'm going to pick you up and throw you. I'm going to throw you like a bomb. Ooh. Oh, you just come back.